Hello everyone. Today I am teaching you black lace nails art step by step guide. This simple and elegant lace over a nude background gives a feminine look to your manicure. Let's move to step number 1. Start by painting your nails with a light baggy nail polish. Step number 2. Using a thin nail art brush and a black nail polish, create a diagonal line on each of your nails from one corner of the nail to the other. Step number 3. Continue making a row of diagonal lines. Below the first diagonal line, you create it with the nail art brush and black nail polish. Step number 4. Angle your fingers slightly and create another row of lines over the first set of diagonal lines. This will make a crisscross pattern on your nails. Step number 5. Using the same nail art brush and nail polish, draw small leaves and stem shapes inside the crisscross pattern to create a lace effect. Step number 6. Using a dotting tool and black nail polish, place small dots along your first diagonal line to create a scalloped edge. Step number 7. With the same tool and nail polish, place smaller dots between the previous dots. And then remove extra nail polish on your nails. Step number 8. Finally, apply a top coat on your nails to seal in the design. That's all. Your design is complete and you can enjoy your design as well. If you like my video, please subscribe and share. Thank you.